Hello, my beautiful people. Happy Sunday. I'm so excited that you are here. Hey, my name is Yancy, and I'm on a journey to become debt free. If you're new here, I am a server, so I do get paid every day, but today is the reality of being a server. So, guys, yesterday, Saturday, I went in to cover one of our coworkers because his wife's birthday party was yesterday. So I went in for him. And can I say I only went in the morning. So I got break from 2 and I was gonna go in at 5. But you guys, out of the nowhere I started sneezing, my throat was hurting, like I just look like a piece of doo-doo. And so Alex was like, look, I'ma just go in for you, just go cover you, and you stay home. Dylan is still sick, and he's like, just stay home, right? Well, guys, I only went in the morning, and today I don't have a lot to cash stuff, but it's okay. That's just the reality. Today I have 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So I only have $60 to cash stuff today, which I am so thankful and blessed for and excited. Anything helps. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started, guys. We're going to see if we can stretch our little money as much as we can. Maybe we finish a challenge so I don't feel defeated. But you know, that's the reality of being a server and relying on money like that. So today, guys, I'm going to add $20 on rent because you guys know that's the highest. I always feel like I take forever to finish, so we're gonna do only $20 and that's it. We're not gonna cash off anything else on those envelopes, but except for that one. Hopefully later we're able to cash off more. Okay, so that one's good. I hope you guys are doing great today. Happy Sunday, like I said. Hopefully your Saturday was beautiful and you had a good time. Spring is coming. I was just on Facebook and I was looking that they have the little like tulips event coming in soon, and I'm like, oh my gosh. I've never gone flower picking, but I always look at people's videos or pictures or little stories, and I'm like, okay, I technically went. But not really. Okay, awesome. So let's I want to let you guys know I did add a new challenge, which is this one right here that I created, the little ducky and bunny with the strawberry. I did add that in here just so you know, because that one, we finished that challenge last time. Okay, guys, let's see how much we needed for this one to complete so we don't feel like defeated today, but it's okay. So we have a 4, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. We have 13, and I believe I do have 13. So 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh my gosh, you guys, yes, that's exciting. Okay, so 4, oh my goodness, see, I'm telling you, everything works at its best, at its finest. 4 and 6, that's 10, and 3, that is 13. Oh my goodness, you guys, yes. Okay, so now let's officially count this. This is from Sarah Creates Design. I believe I got this as a freebie, if I'm not mistaken. But let's see, let's count, guys. This gets me so excited. All right, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Woohoo! 100, 100. So, woohoo! Let me take that off, actually. And let me add this one right here. Why not? My little Lilo and Stitch. So, yes. Okay, let me edit this one. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this one. This one will save me $85. It is available on my Etsy shop. If you guys want to go ahead and shop, you sure can. Okay, that's awesome. Oh my gosh, how exciting. Okay, that's $100. Woo! Okay, let me see if I have anything else that I needed to complete. I think Christmas, but I think I'm very far away from Christmas. let me actually do Christmas. So 5, 6, and 7. Okay, look, that works out. Look at that. That works out. Okay, we're trying to stretch as much as we can. As much as we can. So this one will save us 147. So far, let's see how much do we have. Okay, we have a decent amount. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 116 on this one, and it saves us 147. Guys, if you have not seen the Fancy Dollar, she is coming out with so many cute stuff. I told her, girl, shut up. I was like, shut up. I was like, why are you trying to take the money I ain't got? Okay, I ain't got the money, but you're gonna get some money. You guys, I love some real stuff. I love anything Stitch. Believe it or not, can I tell you something? I didn't have a childhood as like the rest of you guys, where like you chill and you watch Disney movie, Shrek, I don't know, you know, stuff like that, like the Disney movie, like the princess movie, like stuff that you watched. I never had that. I'm only now, since my little one, after having my kid, the first one, and then of course now the second one, I'm starting to experience like movies like that, like Monster Inc., Lilo and Stitch, you know, you name it, like stuff like that. Like the Home Alone, the Christmas Home Alone, I never watched that until you guys suggested me that. And then we watched it with the family during Christmas last year. And I was like, oh my gosh, I have missed out so much, but it's never too late. And you probably were like, what the heck, or you never had a childhood? No, not like that. Not like a childhood with like Christmas, like movies and stuff like that. So I have always said I'm living through my kids, and it's exciting. So yeah, sorry guys, I get emotional, especially now me being a little sicky, feeling like a doodoo. I get cray. Okay, but anyways, I just wanted you guys to know that. So anything that I do, so like when I get so excited about Easter, little like pumpkin patches and stuff like that, it's like I live that through my kids. Like, I don't know how to tell you, but yeah. Okay, so we have 10 and 20, so we have $20. What should we do, guys? What should we do? Let's add a 10 on this one, because dermatologist, you know, I need to. So now we have 20, 30, and 40. Okay, so that's good. That's exciting. All right, awesome. And we have 10. So let's actually add a 10 here, because you guys, I'm buying stuff from the Fancy Dollar, from Katie. So I need to add as much money as I can. So that's 10 and another 10. Oh, no. Sorry. Oh my gosh, I don't have 20. I'm over here trying to add 20. Oh my gosh. No. Okay, so there you go. I already spent like $90-some, which is okay. But now I have 20, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's probably just for one challenge now. And I want so many. Okay, that's okay. Alrighty, guys. Well, thank you so much. We tried our best to stretch our money out as much as we could. And yeah, so how exciting. Happy Sunday. Again, probably this is my third time saying it. And I am so excited to see you guys tomorrow for Mini Monday. I'm so excited. I love Mini Mondays. Okay, thank you so much for being here, guys, watching throughout my video, helping me out with those hours. I love you guys. You guys are the best. And I'll see you guys tomorrow on Mini Monday. Bye, guys. I love you. Take care.